Great, Mahesh. Good afternoon. Tell me.
Very good afternoon. Where are you from?
I am from Bombay. Where are you from?
I'm from Madhya Pradesh.
Wonderful. Tell me a little bit about yourself. Sorry, I went for a walk and I'm really still catching up on breath, but please continue.
Okay. So I'm a Snagda, as you know, and I'm a student, and I have done my graduation,
Okay.
and
What
currently
are you
preparing
pursuing
for.
for graduation? Yes.
I have done BBA, Bachelor of Business Administration.
Did you finish it?
Yeah, I have completed.
You've completed it. Great. So what are you doing right now?
I'm preparing for competitive examination.
Okay. And what do you aspire to be? What are your plans?
Ultimate plan, if I talk about, then my plan is to become an entrepreneur.
Your plan is to become an entrepreneur. What kind of entrepreneur would you like to become, Mahesh?
I think entrepreneur, which is something new business. I want to come out with the new business, which is
Have a
never
business
existed.
idea in mind?
And not yet, but yeah, I have some problem. I have observed some problem around me, so I'm thinking of it and working on it to solve that problem.
Okay. Great. Mahesh, is this your first class? Is this your demo class?
No, it's not my first. It's my 15th, I think.
15th. Wonderful. Tell me a little bit about your growth. Tell me how has it been and has it helped you?
Clappingo tutor helped me a lot, and I am improving since the day I joined Clappingo, and getting a chance to talking with the different tutors, so that helps a lot, and
Absolutely.
making me a fluent, plus giving me an experience of interview.
Absolutely. So I'm sure this is, I also see that you have some newfound confidence while speaking, right? I think that has happened due to talking to a lot of people.
Yes, yes. So
Great.
what do you do?
I head the communications department in my organization, and when I have time, I take classes.
Okay, nice.
Right. Okay, Mahesh. So you said that you finished your BBA, now you're preparing for competitive examinations, and you want to definitely want to become an entrepreneur in the later part of your life, right?
Yeah.
Um, how difficult is it? So you remember there was a time that the generation before us used to prepare for competitive examinations. We have seen, right, how they have, and then we are preparing. Do you see any difference in the way competitive examinations are these days?
Yes, yes, yes. The difference between those people and us is that the competition has increased many fold these days, because many youth are trying to getting a government job, especially because there is a you need to work less and you will get paid more. And there is a name also that you have government job, then your relative will treat differently, and everyone will treat you differently. And if I talk about my area, and so if you have a government job, then it will be very easier for you to get a girl for marry. That's the main
So
thing, I think.
marriage prospects.
Yeah, that's the main prospect, I think, because this is very famous, and many memes are there on this, that if you have government job, it doesn't matter how you looks and how intelligent you are and what kind of personality you have. all
Right.
you
People
need to
change.
all you need to have is a good government job.
And do you think that is correct, Mahesh? Do you think that all your hard work that you have done, all the hard work that other people put in, and because the competitive examinations, lakhs of people apply, right? But only thousands get in.
Yeah, yeah.
Do you think there should be another kind of a scheme where there are so many people who don't get in?
So I don't understand what you actually want to say.
So there are so many people who don't get in, right? So imagine,
Okay.
a lot of people, so lakhs of people apply for the job, right? But only there are limited number of seats that get in, right?
Yeah, yeah.
So don't you think that it's a little unfair because so many people are preparing? Maybe they are just having one bad day during the exam day and it did not go well. And because of that, their whole year of study goes waste, right?
Yes. So what I personally think is that when you are preparing, and if you selected, that is very good, because that's what you want. But somehow, or maybe the whatever problem with you have been, but If you don't get selected, you may try for next year or you may not. But whatever you have learned throughout this journey, that matters a lot. That can help you in your life later. You just need to be patient and be confident in yourself. Once you lose your confidence, it is going to be very difficult for you to come out of this situation, because everyone treat you like a loser. But you are not a loser, you just learn one thing, because every time we try, either we learn, either we success.
Right.
So you never got failure or fail, I think.
Absolutely, Mahesh. I think the knowledge stays with you. All those years of study stays with you. It's just
That
one
matters.
examination. Just like
Yeah.
everything else is just another examination, right?
Yeah, as they say that one sheet of paper can't decide your future, so one day of examination can't decide the person you are and your future. So it's
Absolutely.
part of life and part of success.
Absolutely. Do you think that there should be some reforms? Reforms, matlab, for the people who did not get in, to give them some boost in their confidence? Because obviously, when you don't get in or you don't have a good result, that day is definitely a little sad for you, right? Do you think that if there is some kind of a program where the people who did not get in get support, will that help?
As far as I think that if anyone is not get selected, so there are many other options related to the study. They can do part-time job. They can do apply in the same field. Like if I'm preparing for banking examination, and if I don't get selected, I can work with the like finance companies. I can work in a private bank, and there are many other ways. Or I can apply that knowledge. If I have good knowledge, I can open my coaching.
Right.
So
Right.
government can't do everything for that.
That's a very good thought process, Mahesh. I'm really happy that you think that way. And I hope that you spread this kind of thought process amongst your friends as well. Because, because like you said, just one examination does not decide if you're a loser or a winner, right?
Yeah,
And I think people whoever is preparing, because I've seen people get so depressed after not getting one examination. And
yeah,
it has become a culture in our country, be it IIT, AIEEE, be it a UPSC exam, be it
yeah,
a AIS exam, right? So
sure.
um, for all of those people, I think it is very important to look forward.
Obviously, they shouldn't lose confidence. They believe in
Absolutely.
themselves.
Right. So you said you might want to even open your own coaching center.
Yeah, I'm not going to open, but if someone not going selected, and then he shouldn't like, yeah, I'm a loser. He is not loser. He can do anything else.
So do you also see, so since you are a part of this process, Mahesh, do you also see some discrepancies? Discrepancy, matlab, do you see that there are certain things that could have done better in the whole examination process?
Yes, yes, there are. Just like if I talk about the most important one is the reservation, which should not be there, I think. The deserved one should be that job. It's not about, and yes, if you want to give them reservation, they give them proper facilities for studies. They give them give their coaching fees, tre- and give them any incentives in terms of money, but don't just like in terms of marks, because the other one who is trying harder, he should
Right.
get job.
Right. The
And in
people who are
future, if one who is very deserved one go to that job, he will do better in that field, I think.
absolutely. Do you think it all kind of reflects, right, when people are in job and they have come through reservation quota or through such difficult management quota and all of that, that
Yeah,
also reflects work they do for the people?
sometime it happens, I think. I have seen an incident where in Rajasthan, one chemistry teacher got selected for the chemistry, even if he got fail in that subject. So how can that be? If he is fail in that
Oh,
subject, how would he teach that?
that's
Just
because our
imagine how.
education that's
Yeah,
because our education minister is standard fourth educated. So you can't
yeah.
help.
So just imagine that how they is going to teach their students, and how the student is going to learn, and how this
Absolutely.
whole process is going worse and worse.
True. And what else do you suggest, can be reformed? For example, one is the reservation quota that they have. Through the whole process, from picking up the form to giving the examination, preparing for interview, do you think there is a huge lag, or do you think it is maintained properly?
Yeah, one thing which I want to correct is that if I talk about SSC,
Right.
so what SSC do is that they are taking exam in 2019, declaring result in 2020, and calling them for intern 2021. And after that, if someone got rejected in interview, then what about their his 3 years? So he is just waiting that I'm going to select. And unfortunately, if he's got rejected, then what about that guy?
Absolutely. 3 years of
The
hard
yeah
work.
process should be done within the decided limit or the time period. They should not be delayed. I know that sometimes emergency like corona happens and this can be okay, but when the circumstances is normal, then it should not be delayed.
True. True. So are these exams as of now multi-choice, and are these exams online, or you still have to write on paper?
No, these all exams are online, and where you get 4 options and you just need to take the correct
The
one.
choice. Then it should be easy for them to correct it. I don't understand why they wait for so long, because it's all digitally, as soon as you write your paper, it's get digitally corrected immediately.
Yes, vary from exam to exam. When there are some certain exam where you have to face first pre-exam, and after that you will have to face mains. So in mains is a written. You will where you will have to write the answer.
Right. Right.
And in pre, you just need to take the correct option. And after that,
Wonderful.
the interview, GD, and the physical and medicals are there.
Great. That's really nice. How long have you been trying for the examinations?
It's been almost 1 year.
It's been almost 1 year. Are you applying for this year, or are you applying for the next year?
No, I cracked the exam, which is Mahatma Gandhi National Fellowship Program.
Okay.
I cracked that exam, and I'm going to interview at 19th of August.
So are you going to get interviewed on 19th of August?
Yeah, going to get interviewed there.
Okay. Wonderful.
So
All the best.
is there any tips from your side for my interview?
Absolutely. Tell me a little bit about what the interview is going to be about. So what is the scholarship and the apprenticeship about?
No, it's a government fellowship program
Fellowship program. Okay.
in which the my work is going to be that to work under the district officers like
Okay.
DMs, IS, and to see that the which scheme the initiated by the government is it implemented properly or not
Right. So are
in
you
the
going to be
rural area
working?
especially.
Right. So you are going to be working for your state, right?
Obviously.
Okay. Wonderful. So I think the best part, to kind of invest your time, Mahesh, would be to find out what are the new reforms they have got in these 5 years plans that the government makes, right? What are the
Okay.
new reforms that they have done for rural development? Then obviously finding out schemes. So it is always better to look at 10 years, 5 years behind and 5 years forward, right? So
Okay.
search from maybe 2015 to 2016 and see what they have done till 2020, and then also look at what is their 5 year plan ahead. So what have they planned till 2025?
Okay. Sure.
Right, it always helps when you know a little bit कि आपने ये सब plan रखा है. This is क्योंकि ये सब on all these fellowship programs, the schemes that government kind of has a time limit, right? So they start today and then they say I will complete this in 5 years,
Okay.
right?
Yeah, I
So it's
was
always,
searching for it.
yeah, so it's always nice to see what has the state government or the kind of district attorneys or the DMs you will be working under, according what are those schemes that have been working under them, and what are the ones that are completed, what are the ones that are yet to complete. Another important thing that you can also keep in keep in notice is what are the current affairs that's going on. I think that you already know, obviously
Yeah.
that current affairs is something that they definitely push you on.
Okay, sure.
And another thing, I think it's very nice that you have an open mindset. So Mahesh, whenever they ask you, what do you think this, because they ask you a lot of questions to understand if you know about schemes and if you know how to build something, or if you know how to strategize on something, right?
Yeah.
So just like I asked you, what do you think should be the reforms, done on the examination process? They might also ask you questions on the same. What do you think the reform should be done in this particular village? Where there is less water, uh,
Okay.
the farmer has lesser money to pay the tractors. So what reforms can you get? They hire a
Okay.
lot of students to kind of work on those reforms as well. So, hiring engineers to build projects for the farmers, it's all of that.
Okay. Okay. Sure.
So it will be nice. And also figure out if your state, so you are in UP, Madhya Pradesh, right? So figure out in Madhya Pradesh, what is the main source of income for people? So what just according to strata of people, how many people are farmers? What is the percentage of government workers? What is the percentage of private workers? It also helps you build schemes or strategy for people then. Then you can
Yeah.
actually tell them that I noticed that, 39% of Madhya Pradesh localites are farmers. So we can do
Yes.
this for this, so you can always get to that.
Sure, I will run it.
I hope that helps.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah? Great. I don't think, Mahesh, there is a confidence problem. You sound very confident when you're talking. Your English is also perfect. There are small grammatical mistakes, but I think that's very negligible. I think if it's not a teacher somebody who's talking to you will not catch it.
Okay.
Right. So I think keep on that good work, keep on talking, get to more conversations. What we will do is I will also write in the feedback. The next time when we have a conversation, we'll try and focus on these kind of government interviews, and we'll try and do a mock interview together.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. So I think that should also help. We'll do a mock interview together and we'll see how that goes.
Okay.
Great. So I'll also research a little bit on Madhya Pradesh. Good enough.
Sure. I'm going to plan my next session with you soon.
Done. Thank you so much, Mahesh, and take care.
It was nice talking to you.
Same here.
Bye-bye.
Bye.